Hello students, today I am going to start a very important topic from chapter 5 data handling is probability. Now do you know what is probability? Let me start off with a question. What is the probability of a pig flying? Now you tell me, can a pig fly? No, it cannot fly, right? The probability of a pig being able to fly is 0. Now tell me, what is the probability of getting natural number? On the roll of a die. So what is the probability of getting natural number on the roll of a die? No matter how many times a die roll, you will get a number between 1 and 6, okay? In which all are natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are natural number. Now we will have to find the probability of natural number. Here probability is 1. We would definitely get a natural number on the roll of a fair die, okay? Probability of 0 means 0%. There is a 0% chance of the event occurring. It's an impossible event. On the other hand, probability of 1 means there is 100% chance of the event occurring. This is called certain event. Okay, so the probability of every event will lie between 0 and 1. Of every event will lie between 0 and 1. Okay. So, what is probability? It is denoted by P. The probability of an event occurring is the number of ways an event can occur over the total number of possible events. Okay, so probability is number of ways an event can occur over the total possible event. Okay, to understand this in a better way, let us look at the following example. Suppose we toss a pair coin, so it can either land a head or tail. Okay, listen carefully, like if we toss a fair coin, what is the probability that it will land a head? When we toss a coin, what is the probability that we'll get a head? What is the number of ways in which we can get a head? It's only one way that it lands a head, right? And what are the total possible events? When we toss a coin, we will get a head or will get a tail, right? So what we have observed there, when we toss a coin, we get 2 total events, okay? So the probability of getting a head at the toss of a pair coin is, it's 1 by 2, which means 50%. So here 2 is the total events, and since only one way we can get a head, so 1 is in the numerator. So what is the probability of tail then? There is only one way in which we can get a tail, and there are two possibilities. So probability of getting a tail at the toss of a coin is 1 by 2, which means 50%. Now look at the case of a die. If we roll a die, it will land one of the 6 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will land one of the 6 numbers. Now find what is the probability that the die will land a 3. There is also one way in which we can get a 3, and the number of total possibilities are 6. The probability of getting a 3 at the roll of a die is 1 over 6. So what would be the probability of odd numbers if we roll a die? There are 3 ways in which we can get an odd number. So which one are the odd numbers out there? It's 1, 3 and 5. There are 3 odd numbers, and total possibilities are 6. So the probability of getting an odd number at the throw of a die is 3 by 6, which means 50%. And the last example is that of a pack of cards. Let's assume a pack of 52 cards. Okay? And we'll pick a random card from this pack. Now, what is the probability that we'll pick a jack? Okay? Now think about it. How many jacks are there in the entire pack? There are 4 jacks in each set of a card. There are 4 jacks, and the total number of cards are 52. So the probability of picking a jack from a pack of 52 cards is 4 over 52. Okay? Since total number of possibilities are 52, so 52 will be in the denominator, and there are 4 jacks in each suit. So the probability of picking a jack will be 4 over 52. Okay? Now the last question, that what is the probability of picking a face card? There are 12 face cards. Jack, Queen and King in each of the 4 suits. Okay? And the total number of possibilities are 52. So the probability of picking a face card from a pack of 52 cards will be 12 by 52. So this was the basic concept of probability. I hope you all have understood this nicely. Thank you, students.